send. The rest is up to you.
You disconnected the transmission lines? Are we off the grid?
Stark Tower is about to become a beacon of self-sustaining clean energy.
Well, assuming the arc reactor takes over and it actually works.
I assume. Light her up.
How does it look?
Like Christmas, but with more me.
We've got to go wider on the public awareness campaign. You need to do some press. I'm in DC tomorrow. I'm working on the zoning for the next 3 buildings.
Pepper, you're killing me. The moment, remember? Enjoy the moment.
Get in here, I will.
Sir, Agent Coulson of S.H.I.E.L.D. is on the line.
I'm not in. I'm actually out.
Sir, I'm afraid he's insisting.
Throw a spine, Jarvis. I got a date.
Levels are holding steady. I think.
Of course they are. I was directly involved. Which brings me to my next question. How does it feel to be a genius?
Well, I really wouldn't know now, would I?
What do you mean? All this came from you.
No, all this came from that.
Give yourself some credit. Please. Stark Tower is your baby. Give yourself 12% the credit.
12%.
An argument can be made for 15.
12%?
Well,
That's my baby.
did do all the heavy lifting. Literally, I lifted the heavy things. And sorry, but the security snafu, that was on you.
Oh.
My private elevator.
You mean our elevator?
It was teeming with sweaty workmen. I'm going to pay for that comment about percentages in some subtle way later, aren't I?
Not going to be that subtle.
I'll tell you what. Next building is going to say Potts on the tower.
Police.
Call your mom. Can you bunk over?
Sir, the telephone. I'm afraid my protocols are being overridden.
Mr. Stark, we need to talk.
You have reached the life model decoy of Tony Stark. Leave a message. This is urgent. Then leave it urgently.